To present the Excellence in Healthcare Award, please join me in welcoming Dr. Jeffrey Lebowski and Mike Wildermuth, CEO for Enloe Medical Center.
Well, it's an honor for Enloe Medical Center to continue its sponsorship of the Excellence in Healthcare Award. Our past winners include neurosurgeon Dr. Jeff Lebowski, who's here with me tonight, Enloe Flight Care, North Valley MRI and CT Center, and Blood Source, which won the award last year.
Thanks, Mike. It's really a double pleasure for me to be here tonight. First of all, I get to help honor my good friend Will Bono, who earlier received the Community Service Award. Willie, I love you. You're my good friend, and I'm proud of you. But I'm equally pleased about the opportunity to be up here with Mike and to help and recognize the Enloe Chico Children's Center for the great work that they have done, and as they are recipients of this year's Excellence in the Healthcare Award. Having been a previous recipient of this award, I'm keenly aware that this was definitely a collaborative effort that benefits our greater Chico community in ways that many of you may not even realize. You know, certainly for most of us here tonight, we understand that our children and our grandchildren are really the greatest gifts that we have. And we all hope that these children of ours are healthy and happy and able to see their potential and achieve their potentials. And that's a dream, that's a hope that really transcends all socioeconomic barriers. And yet for many people here in Chico, access to even basic health care for their children, access that we all take for granted, is oftentimes sorely lacking. Now, recognizing this, our local pediatricians, nurses, and the administration at Enloe Hospital decided that they were going to refuse to accept the fact that lack of access was just another one of those inevitable injustices that we see in our healthcare system. And instead, they created the Enloe Children's Health Center. This community resource has provided a very much needed safety net for many parents who struggle on a daily basis to find quality care for their growing families. In addition, it has relieved in a great part, the wasteful and expensive costs associated with the frequent emergency room visits for simple problems such as sore throats, earaches, colds, and the flu. Mike?
Thank you, Dr. Lebowski. This award is long overdue, although I might be just a little bit biased. Enloe's Children's Health Center has been in business and operation for over 15 years, and as of the end of 2009, has served over 300,000 patients. Allow me to introduce, in accepting the Excellence in Healthcare Award, the Medical Director of Enloe's Children's Health Center, Dr. James Wood.
Gee, thanks a lot, fellas, for that very nice introduction. On behalf of the Enloe Children's Health Center, I want to thank you for the honor of this important award. For the past 17 years, Enloe Children's Health Center has provided a medical home for thousands of Chico's children. And through those years, the majority of those years, I've had the distinct pleasure of serving as medical director for these hardworking and cohesive unit of 26 employees. That's 26 out of Enloe's 2,300 employees. We are now, as Mike said, approaching our 300,000th patient visit. Last year, we had 21,000 patient visits. Just for your reference, the emergency room on a 24/7 operation saw 40,000, and with Enloe's 2 prompt cares on a 7-day expanded schedule saw 45,000. So you get the idea that the Children's Health Center is a very busy place. We administered 12,000 vaccine doses, and as a matter of fact, we are the largest consumer of vaccines in California north of Sacramento. Just last month, you might be interested to know that we administered 344 Tdap vaccines for free to parents of newborns to help ward off this pertussis whooping cough epidemic that's present all around right now. I should tell you that the lion's share of the medical care provided at the Children's Center is provided by 5 mid-level, hardworking, dedicated mid-level practitioners, represented by Bill Sprati over here, our original, the first practitioner hired in 1993. You should also know that every Chico pediatrician has a stake in the Children's Center. So I'm talking about Drs. Asarian, Brown, Kaur, Dolinar, Gannon, Sullivan, Tedford, and Wasserman. All provide on-site medical supervision and consultation on a regularly scheduled basis, and they also provide direct patient care to the most complex cases. 84% of our patient base has Medi-Cal coverage. Some people refer to that as the Golden State credit card. So you understand about the reimbursement that we're operating with here. And under the current level, our goal is for the Children's Center to be a break-even operation. That doesn't always happen, and when we are in the deficit spending area, Inlow Hospital and Inlow Foundation are there to back us up. Also, through the years, we have been the beneficiaries of several golf tournaments and a Ducky Derby. With the current economic climate and with many lost jobs and loss of private health insurance, why our current numbers are up by about 20 or 30%. So as you can see, Inlow Children's Health Center is a most important Chico medical institution. On behalf of the Children's Center, I want to thank you all for this special award. I want to thank the staff for their 17 years of dedicated hard work, and I want to thank Inlow Hospital for making this all possible. Thank you.